In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a lead form in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar. Click and expand the Campaign tab. Then, from the drop-down, click on the Ads option. Scroll down and look for the ad you want to add a lead form to. Then hover over it and you'll see the pen icon appear on it. Click on it to edit your campaign in order to add a lead form. Now, scroll down and look for the Lead Forms option in your ad. You'll see the already set lead forms there. Now, to add a new lead form to your Google ad, click on the Edit icon. Then, scroll down and click on the New Lead Form button. After that, add all the details of your lead form and make sure it's carefully filled. When you're done setting it up, click on the Save button. Then, finally, click the Apply button to finish setting up your Google Ads lead form. Your lead form is now live, and users can submit their information directly through your ads. And that's it. That's how you add a lead form in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.